In today's lecture, we'll be discussing fish pond. A fish pond is an artificial body of water in which fishes are reared for commercial purposes. There are various types of fish ponds. It is a confined body of water where fishes are raised under controlled conditions. Fish can also be raised in plastics, fiber tanks, and wooden rafts. Earthen pond. This involves digging the soil, usually clay, 25% clay, to a depth ranging from 0.5–1.0 meters at the shallow end and 1.5 to 2.0 meters at the drain end to raise fish. The pond can be of any shape as long as it is well constructed. Concrete pond. Here, 4 to 5 coaches of blocks are used to construct the pond above the ground level, using cement, sand and gravel in ratio 1:2:4 respectively with water. The pond floor should be well concreted to a thickness between 7.5 cm 10 cm. A water tap should be well connected to allow free flow in and out of water. Plastic pond. Pond construction is expensive, and this has led many entrants to fish farming in Nigeria to build concrete tanks or to buy plastic tanks as production units. These are smaller units but are believed to be easier to manage as production units. Establishment of fish pond. Factors to be considered before the establishment of fish pond. Adequate water supply, sourced from boreholes, streams, or lakes, with gravity flow being the best and cheapest. Water must be unpolluted and tested for quality, such as alkalinity and pH levels. Soil in the area. Soil should contain 20 to 25% clay to hold water and be free from residual chemicals that could harm fish. Topography of the area. Suitable topography reduces construction costs and aids pond management. Avoid shallow areas prone to drying out. Availability of fast-growing fish species. Ensure access to fish species that grow quickly for efficient production. Availability of supplementary feedstuff. Ensure availability of feed to support fish growth and health. Nearness to market. Proximity to a fish market is crucial for efficient sales and reduces transportation issues. This is a key factor in locating a fish farm. Maintenance of fish pond. To maintain high fish yield, feed regularly, keep water clean, remove weeds, ensure aeration, desist, control predators, prevent diseases, apply fertilizers monthly, and harvest regularly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.